What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Idle here with Milky Tech, and today we're gonna rock some flows. Let's get this done. Today we'll be looking at the JBL Charge Essential portable Bluetooth speaker. Now, the reason why I got this speaker is my wife is having a huge mega open house at a house that she's recently listed. And if you guys are interested in looking for properties in the Atlanta area or in the Georgia area, her contact is below, so hit her up. We want to play some music in there, and we need something that's portable and loud and lasts a long time. And this guy seems to check all those boxes. Alright, so let's go over the product before we unbox it. So let's see some of the features that it offers. It is waterproof. It lasts up to 20 hours, and we're going to test this tomorrow. And it is a power bank, so if your phone needs to be charged, this can charge it. In other words, it is a portable battery bank that is also a speaker. It is rugged, and it is durable, so it will last a while. Being rugged, durable, and waterproof is great. So, you can also take it to the beach or to the pool and, have fun with it. And it says it is loud and it's clear. So we're going to test it out in a second. So let's open this guy up. And this kind of packaging, we have to call in the reinforcements for this guy. We're going to need some kitchen shears. First thing to come out is the speaker and some goodies. So here's what's in the packaging. We have its charge cable, which is a micro USB. I wish this was Type-C. Keep the uniformity. And here we have some documentations. We have a warranty card. We have some warnings. And here we have our user manual. And here's the speaker. It's pretty hefty. I'm not gonna lie, it's not light. But in my hand, it feels very sturdy. So in the front, we have our Bluetooth pair button, our volume rockers, power button, and next track. We have a speaker here, and we have a speaker here. This is its base. And over here, we have LED indicators telling you how much battery there is. And I wonder if there's battery in here. Yep. Okay. So it's about halfly charged. And here is where we charge our speaker. Open this flap up, and as you can see over here, it has like a little seal. So water should not get in here. Over here, we have our USB out to charge whatever device you need to charge. Our charge USB. And here's an auxiliary port. If you do not want to pair the speakers via Bluetooth, you can just do it via 3.5mm auxiliary cable. So we're going to test this out. Turn this guy on, press and hold a little bit. Alright. And pairing process is very easy. You just go to your Bluetooth settings. It will show up as JBL Charge Essential. That. And we're paired. So let's play some one of the greatest YouTubers I know. As you guys can hear, it is pretty loud. The bass is pretty good for something this size. I'm actually fairly impressed with it. So I'm going to try some of this royalty-free music. You heard about how I sounded. So let's hear how this sounds like. Okay. Pretty crisp. The bass is actually not bad. Okay. Overall, I am very, very pumped about this speaker. Really, I'm really pumped. The mids and highs sound great. The bass is, for the size, it's pretty deep. It's pretty deep. I think this is gonna rock the house tomorrow, and it's really good. I like that it's sturdy, it's heavy, it's good. If you want to, you can play football with this. Don't do that. And the versatility of this product, of this speaker, is, I think this is a very much a top tier product, and it definitely gets 2 thumbs up from me. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have questions, comments, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.